right, there's shops like Primark.
Yo guys,
Yo.
it's your girl Litty Shay in the building. We are on fire with these videos.
And Little Mommy's here, but don't
Yes.
put me the other name.
Little Mommy Mitchell, be like, what? Make some noise, what? So, you all saw that title, How to Budget Your Money in 2025. I know that is so damn impossible because whenever you step out your house, you're doing what? Spending money. And you know what, yeah? This video is sponsored by Smarties. If you know, you know. Back in the day, sweet. I love it. Oh my God, Smarties.
Yes, enough.
Yeah, like, I swear down.
Very nice.
Okay, so what's one tip what you would give to the people them about saving money in or budgeting in 2025?
If you don't need it, don't spend it. That's my motto. If you don't need it, don't spend it. Because I'm sure you can make up clothes over the years what you got indoors and put one and one together, which made 10. You know what I mean? So if you don't need it, don't spend it. If you got £50 in your hand on Monday, make sure it lasts you. To buy a little milk, butter and bread and your piece of meat to last you for 2 days. Don't spend money recklessly. Seriously, because it's unnecessary. As they said, it's cost of living. But it depends on how you spend your money at the end of the day.
Stop there as well. And you see the Beyonce concert, what's coming up in summertime this year? That is not how to budget. You're putting money into her pocket. Don't do it.
People are spending the money on Beyonce tickets and they're complaining, oh, I'm skinny, I'm broke. You make yourself broke.
Honestly, but anyways, tip number 2 on how to budget in 2025 is don't do online shopping. Don't go on Shein, Pretty Little Thing, Boohoo for women, Boohoo for men. Don't go online. Like, don't do it. Get your money up first and do what you have to do with your goals and all that great stuff, and then you can look online and be like, I like that.
Because guys, you out there, you can't tell me that you don't have clothes to put together. Come on now.
Honestly, like, you know, don't do it. But anyways, tip number 3.
Tip number 3, how to budget on food. Food is a necessity. We all need food at the end of the day.
I do.
You can go into a certain shops and buy 3 for £10 meat or whatever. Or if you go to special shops like halal meat shops, you can buy a lot of meat and separate them and buy other things like rice, things which you really need. I need a custard. Potatoes, a bag of potatoes. You just have to know your limit at the end of the day and work out how much food your family needs, because you might have a big family with 3 or 4, or if you've got 2 people in your family, budget yourself, because you see that when you go shopping, you're picking up what you need. And if you don't
stop there, yeah, if you've got children, right, don't focus on the snacks, focus on the food, because you know what, yeah, by the time you go pick up sweets, chocolate, biscuits, crisp, cake, all that money is accumulating up
to £70 to £100,
and we don't need that. We're trying to get proper food which can last for like a month.
Because
and then
when I go shopping, I shop sensibly. I don't pick up sweets, or I might have odd biscuits here and there, but it's all about food for the whole 2-3 months. So that saves me from coming out every month to do shopping.
If we do come out, it's just to buy like milk or bread
or butter, things like that really,
or eggs or something like that. But it's never nothing too
drastic where we don't need it.
You know what I mean? Because saving money in 2025, yeah, we need to do that. We have summertime approaching real soon. We have limes, parties, fetes to attend, and you know, we want to be looking nice and all that great stuff. So yeah,
don't think about going out to buy Versace because it's got the little zigzag on it, or buy the little name thing what's got C on it. Think about tomorrow. Always think about tomorrow, because you know what, there's shops like Primark's out there. Primark out there. I was gonna say Primarnies, yeah. I call it Primarnies. It's cross.
What's it called?
Marnies. Thank goodness this is Cliche can edit. So
No, that bit's gonna be.
bun that, yeah. You haven't got to go and buy big expensive jeans for £200 just because it's got one logo in it, or one jacket because it's got one logo in it. The same jacket is going to be in Primarks for about £15 to £20 or under £35. So why spend all that money? At the end of the day, these boogers I got on my foot, yeah, you wouldn't have to know how much they cost. But to put them into name brand shop, they're about £60 on my feet, which it wasn't £60, by the way. So don't think because you see us dressing up all the time that we're spending bag of money, because we're not. It's called resources. Recycling clothes from your wardrobe. From your wardrobe. Resources is also a thing which we use a lot of because we both work into schools.
But you know, like honestly, saving money in 2025, guys, is so it's one to learn. Even if it means you take out about £25 to £30 a week, and then at the end of the week, then you look back and you see how much money you've got left. Because like I work, you see, and that's what I do. And whatever change I've got left behind, I use that for the following week. Because nobody's got time to be taking out big money every single week for work and food and all that. No, you can make your own lunch at home. Bring that to work, warm it up or whatever. You know, think smart.
Don't think about going to Costa.
Hey, you're throwing
shade. Or them Gregs.
You are throwing shade at me.
You start
throwing
going
shade
to McDonald's for breakfast, yeah. Because I don't eat McDonald's at all, yeah. I want to play. Let me give it to you. People who love Costa to spend £5 on coffee or £6 because it's got a little bit of flavour in it.
Listen.
Leave yourself, yeah.
Listen, I only go to Starbucks, right? If it's like Valentine's Day, or if it's Easter or Christmas or Halloween, because I like to try the different types of coffees and all that. But if you're a regular Starbucks drinker or Costa or
it
Pret,
costs you the world to go into them shops.
Yeah.
I don't even go in them shops. I don't even go into KFC. I just walk past them shops and empties, and I don't eat chicken.
Yeah,
but I walk past all them food shops that they're there because I know that I can go home and make a mean sandwich and I can make a mean dinner.
But sometimes when you're hungry, yeah, and you're on the road and you're busy for the whole day, you want to eat something quick. You want some more? Yeah.
I know, but when you sit down and think about all the expenses, fair enough, right? If I'm hungry at the road, right, I'll get a little something and eat. But when I'm with Miss Greedy Pig over there, right, she wants to eat up everything.
Understand? And sometimes you can't help it because it might be so hot that you might need some food or you miss breakfast.
I've always said, right, my point, make some bread sandwich or some sandwich indoors and make up a little meal for yourself and come out and enjoy it, because otherwise you'll be spending like £20-30 before you even get back home on food.
But yeah, yes guys.
What's that about?
Honestly, that saving money in 2025 is so needed because you never know when a rainy day might come, and
you haven't got a pot to piss in.
Honestly, you know, so just be very mindful on when you're spending money and what you're spending money on.
Because if you don't need it, don't buy it. If you don't need it, don't buy it.
Honestly, like a lot of people think, oh my god, I need this. Oh my god, this is so cheap. Oh my god, I'm gonna buy it. And it's like, no. Save the money, and when you actually need something or when you want to do something, then you go ahead.
Do what I do. If you don't need it, don't buy it.
And do what I do. Spend the money.
Don't I fucking know it.
You know? But I hope this video has helped somebody, because spending money in 2025...
Because spending money in 2025, you've got to think cautiously and wisely, because it's money is hard to come by.
Yeah, 100%.
And when you get it, you got to pinch it.
But and save it.
But if you have got, but guys, don't let me put you off by spending your money, because it's your money. It's not my money. We're only here to help you guys.
Yeah, because like, you know, I have quite a large audience, and I know some of my audience is young, you know, teenagers, whatever. So save your money, guys, and buy your own house one day, or you can buy your own car. You know, there's so much things to invest in. Think out the box. Don't think about materialistic things.
Listen, I've got clothes on top of clothes.
Oh, you have clothes from like 40s, mate.
No, my clothes are framed back from the 80s, yeah. But when you see me have different things on, I have it from previously. I just don't wear them. I wear them for the right occasions. You know what I mean? Come on to the camera. You love clothes too much. Your wardrobe full of clothes.
I feel like when you're a content creator, right? Like for me, and this was brought up in one of the videos I done with Amina. If you remember my girl Amina, when she was like, we listen and we don't judge, right? In that video there, she was like, I used to hate when you like buy new clothes and say that you could only wear clothes once. Yes, that is me. Because you know what, yeah? I like to feel like, yeah, you know, I got something on new, is a new day. I don't like to re-wear the clothes back to back to back to back.
It's not so bad if you wear the clothes. Like I wear this today now. You won't see me wear it again until about 2 months time. That's what Little Shay is trying to say.
Yeah, I don't like to wear clothes like
every day. It's like if you see me in these clothes today now and come tomorrow now I'm on the video with the same clothes, you're gonna think, what the, you know what I mean? Because I have to change up my clothes every day.
And if you do see me wearing the same clothes, it's most likely leggings of blue or black coloured, which I have so many leggings, you know, like I just don't like it. It makes you look so dirty when you're looking back at your videos. You're thinking,
is it only one piece of clothes you have?
You know?
Man, so
but yeah, like just spend your money wisely. We're not here to tell you what to buy with your money or whatever. But if you don't need a new camera, do not buy a new camera, because what for? When your previous camera
is in good working order.
If you don't need a laptop, don't buy it. If you don't need an iPad, don't buy it. If you don't need all these different Shein parcels, do not buy it, because
it's just going to be sitting down indoors in your bedroom, and then you're going to be thinking, when am I going to use it? When am I going to use it? So, Little Shay's trying to say, don't spend money stupidly.
Yeah.
Spend it wisely.
Yeah. Like the song go, I've made stupid money and give a damn. I've made stupid money and I don't give a damn. That is my tune. If you know, you know. But yeah, honestly, like, be sensible. But that's enough of how to budget in 2025. Everyone, I have one last message. In 2025, spend your money. Bye.
Eat all of it.
Yes.